More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family.
Hello, mothers and fathers out there. I want to try to talk to you for a second about helping you with your son and creating a great man in this world for him to do good things. I wrote 4 books that I believe will help him find his way through the world, navigating and becoming a great man. And they're very short books. They're not, long or overbearing. It's common sense information, plain talk that everyone can understand. And if you buy it for him, I think he'll learn to respect that decision that you gave him something to read. Most kids don't want to read, but you gave him something to read, and this is going to be a very defining moment in his life because you want to help him become a great man. So mothers and fathers, don't be afraid. Buy the books and give them to your son, the young man in your life that you want to help become a great man. It's well worth it, I believe.
4 books every young man should have. First book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife.
Let's face it, talking about money can be uncomfortable. It's often seen as taboo, something we avoid discussing in polite company. But here's the truth. Avoiding the topic of money doesn't make it go away. In fact, it often makes things worse. Financial literacy is crucial for a happy and successful life. We learn essential life skills from a young age, yet many of us are left to figure out money on our own. This lack of financial education can lead to debt and stress. It's time to break the money silence. We need to talk openly and honestly about finances. Money plays a central role in our lives. It affects our choices and well-being. From homes to food, money drives our decisions. Poor financial understanding leads to debt and stress. Financial literacy empowers informed decisions. Manage money effectively to build a secure future. Financial literacy gives us freedom. The sooner we start our financial education, the better equipped we'll be to navigate the complex world of money. Just like any important skill, financial literacy is best learned early on. By introducing basic financial concepts to children and teenagers, we can empower them to develop responsible money habits that will last a lifetime. Teaching kids about budgeting, saving, and the value of money helps them understand the connection between earning, spending, and financial well-being. It also encourages them to set financial goals, whether it's saving up for a new bike or planning for their future education. Early financial education plants the seeds for a lifetime of financial security. Imagine a generation that grows up understanding the importance of saving, investing, and managing debt. By prioritizing financial literacy from a young age, we can create a brighter future for ourselves, our children, and generations to come. Remember, it's never too early to start learning about money. The earlier we begin, the greater the impact on our long-term financial well-being. Real people, real results. How financial literacy transforms lives. The positive impact of financial literacy is evident in countless real-life stories. Take, for example, a single mother who was struggling to make ends meet. By learning to budget and reduce debt, she gained control of her finances. Or a young couple who dreamed of buying their first home. Through careful planning, they achieved their goal. These stories show the power of financial literacy. Understanding money helps us make better decisions and open new opportunities. Financial literacy empowers us to live richer lives.
Hello everyone. Life is very short, but if we had great information that would help us navigate through this life in a much faster, much better way, that would be a great thing. And I have 4 books that I believe will help young men become great men. So look it up, don't hesitate, just look at the books, see if they have information in there that'll help you become a great man, or help your son, mothers and fathers, for him to become a great man. Life's too short, and if you get information fast enough, you can enjoy life much better. My books will help you do that, I believe.
Section 5. The Debt Trap. Avoiding financial pitfalls through knowledge. One of the most significant benefits of financial literacy is learning how to avoid debt. Debt can quickly spiral out of control, leading to stress, anxiety, and financial instability. By understanding the true cost of borrowing money and developing responsible spending habits, we can avoid falling into the debt trap. Financial literacy empowers us to make informed decisions about credit cards, loans, and other forms of debt. It teaches us to live within our means, prioritize saving, and build a solid financial foundation. When we're equipped with this knowledge, we can break free from the cycle of debt and achieve true financial freedom. Remember, debt is not a tool to be used lightly. It's crucial to understand the implications of borrowing money and to explore all other options before taking on debt. Section 6. Building a solid foundation, practical steps towards financial literacy. The journey to financial literacy starts with a few simple steps. First, create a budget. Track your income and expenses to see where your money is going. Identify areas where you can cut back and start saving. Next, build an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses to cover unexpected costs and avoid going into debt. Third, pay down debt. Create a debt repayment plan, focusing on high-interest debts first. Consider strategies like the debt snowball method to stay motivated. Fourth, start investing. Learn about different investment options and start building a diversified portfolio. Even small contributions can grow significantly over time. Lastly, seek knowledge. Read books, attend seminars, and explore online resources to expand your financial knowledge and stay updated on best practices. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuously learning, adapting, and making informed decisions about your money. Section 7. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Financial literacy is not a privilege reserved for the wealthy or financially savvy. It's a fundamental life skill that everyone can and should embrace. By taking control of our finances, we unlock a world of possibilities, reduce stress, and create a brighter future for ourselves and our families. Start your journey to financial freedom today. Embrace the power of financial literacy and watch as it transforms your life for the better. Remember, it's never too late to learn, and the rewards are well worth the effort.
Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. They're great gifts, birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. The young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man.
Hello everyone. I want to thank you for watching my videos, and I would ask that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment so that I know I'm helping somebody by you commenting on them, liking them, or subscribing to my channel. This way I can get more coverage and reach more people. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
Man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, build your integrity. Molding a man, bring